Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a Pinterest view profile not working. To know how to fix or how to solve, you can't find views of your profile. You should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will go to click first. You will go to click Pinterest. Then you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.